In September 2018, Just Shake or Steer came to life as an Instagram account and as an idea of me sharing the passion for the craft. I've spent over 20 years, more than 20 years, but that doesn't matter in hospitality industry, going in and out, going from bars to hotels to cruise ships and everywhere. I've seen a lot of things, I've tried a lot of things, I've failed in a lot of things in the industry, but it's always been in my blood, it's been my passion, and I wanted to share it with more people. And that's how Just Shake or Steer was born, and that's how it became Instagram account, and that's how it grew organically in nearly over 20,000 followers in just less than 2 years. And that's what was the whole idea of Just Shake or Steer. Growing organically, inspiring people, making difference, okay? Then social media started changing, everything started going around videos and forgot about the pictures, forgot about the story. COVID hit and everything went down the drain. And at this point, after being few years working actively on Just Shake or Steer and making fantastic friends and brand relationships and collaboration, exploring places, traveling the world because of it, and working with fantastic brands, everything started getting a little bit messy because everyone was crazy about videos, about everything visually, forget about the photography, forget about the craft. It's all has to become Instagrammable and everything. And at this point in COVID, I decided to start this channel just because I was a little bit tired of what's going on Instagram and I wanted something different. And the mistake I made, and I realized at some point, not today obviously, it's been quite a while since I know the mistake, is that I combine and kind of try to establish what I've built on Instagram to be the same on YouTube. But we all know both platforms is totally different and the audience from one don't go to another. So I was thinking maybe it's a good idea for me, you know, just to keep the name and don't even bother to change the name or make something different, because I thought it's gonna be logically following up one name on both different channels and it should be working, isn't it? But I don't think it did, because Instagram started going down because I kind of refused to do any videos. I was still kind of stick to my photography, and yeah, I kind of miss on this. I concentrate on YouTube more to make this channel grow, but it didn't work as well. And for past few years, things have been going up and down all the time. On a few occasions, I was nearly ready to give up with everything and just keep enjoying the craft in my home bar, just for myself, and maybe share things where I can. And that's what's happened. I kind of start getting not as much involved, not as much in kind of passionate about it. I didn't lose the passion for the craft, but I lost the passion for sharing it, because everything was just going down. Instagram was losing followers, YouTube doesn't grow, whatever I try to do doesn't work. And you know, things like that, when you have all your life and you're doing everything else in life, it could be sometimes a little bit too much. So I decide a few points to stop and take a break, and maybe this is gonna help, but nothing happened. And after lots of thinking, I'm gonna make the biggest mistake or the best decision. And I don't know, only time will tell, but it's game over, yes. So if you're a fan of Just Shake or Steer, farewell to the brand. It will stay only on Instagram from now on. Here on YouTube, we are changing. I'm going to the basics, I'm going to what I love to do, and I'm going to what it's always been me. A lovely, moody bartender, if I can put it that way. My friends and people who work with me, they know that I can be moody sometimes, most of the time, all the time. And it came the joke when we was talking about the moody bartender and all this kind of stuff. And you've probably heard me a few times I say this, that I want to start a podcast and everything around it called the moody bartender. and it may happen, but I'm not making any promises anymore. However, this is probably, if not the last video under the name of Just Shake or Stir. So yeah, I think it's time to leave what was created for Instagram and don't have the pressure of trying to work both together, okay? So I will be taking a little break probably because of all the logistic around the things which I'm trying to do. But what I'm trying to say, my lovely people, is that I'm not going anywhere with this channel, but I will make some drastic changes. And is it gonna work for me? I don't know. Like I say, only time will tell. Just Shake or Stir will stay on Instagram, but we're not gonna talk about it anymore. Let me shake this first, and I'll say a few more words after. Ooh, yeah, so say goodbye, and yeah, I think I'm making the right decision, but like I say, only time will tell. We don't know yet, and I hope you stay with me. Nothing's gonna change apart from trying to make things a little bit more better, a little bit more interesting for you, and most importantly, following my passion, my dream, and make sure I'm happy with what I do here, so you're happy, okay? Unfortunately, I can't please everyone, but I need to make sure that I'm 100% in it and I feel every little vibe of everything what I do, so I can deliver to you the content which you deserve, okay? It's like I say, I haven't feel 100% and I don't like it, and this is why I'm making this big change. Now, I'm still deciding if I'm gonna take the next couple of weeks, 2-3 weeks maybe, off to rearrange everything, or I'll keep rolling, filming, and slowly changing stuff. I don't know yet. So if I disappear for a little bit, it is what it is. So if you wonder what I just made, this is kind of my take on two cocktails. One is paper plane, one is the Avion de Papel. That's how they call. One is based on bourbon, one is based on tequila. But I made it with a wonderful La Pistola, which is 100% agave spirit Reposado from India, which is absolutely fantastic. They can't call it tequila because it's made in India, but it's brilliant. And instead of the Aperol or the red bitter vermouth, I'm using a Bitter Bianco from Luxardo, which is still bitter, but it's giving the cocktail this golden color. So it doesn't have name. It's some kind of a variation on a plane, paper plane or any plane. Call it whatever you want. I just like it as it is. So cheers. To a new beginning, and farewell to Just Shake or Stir. It's been a pleasure, but it's time for a change. One thing's never gonna change, and this is the final of every video. I love you and I leave you. Bye bye.